Islamic State supporter. Both were out meeting with people in their constituencies. Abby Quabasin, CBC News, London.
And finally, a new campaign is stressing the importance of genetic cancer testing for Black women. Tashana Reed has more.
My first thought was I'm going to die.
At 34, Alicia Bryan was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. After surgery and chemotherapy, she did a genetic test to find out her risk of the cancer coming back.
Once I found out that genetic testing was possible, I realized that that was information that I needed.
Genetic testing looks for a mutation to the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes by a saliva or blood test. If detected, it means a greater lifetime risk.